So suppose you have a project right on the bay. San Francisco, Berkeley, even like Redwood City down near the water. Maybe even a little bit in the South Bay. Tiburon, Monterey, Santa Cruz. Anywhere where you are immediately, Half Moon Bay, immediately near the water within, several miles, ideally, no more than 5 or 6 miles away, then you should consider this palm. Look at that amazing foliage. This is the Kentia palm. I think it's the most beautiful palm that can be grown, most elegantly beautiful palm that can be grown in Northern California. And it's so easy. There's no thorns on it. It has a self-cleaning trunk. Look at this. This pops right off. And the foliage is just so wispy and has such a dance to it in the sky. The trunk is really thin, doesn't require much trimming. Gets a really beautiful ringed pattern on the trunk, giving that tropical feel. Go out to Pier 39, San Francisco. I planted one of these like a decade ago in front of a restaurant called Wipeout, and it looks just spectacular. The tourists love it. Makes them feel like they're in Hawaii. But if you want to grow this plant any further from the ocean, you're gonna have to do it sort of in the shade of really big trees. You can do that. It'll handle it. But they look really great out in the open where the blue sky graces their green. So just know that we can get some really big ones, probably up to 13 foot of trunk. And yeah, this is one of my favorites. Of course, I will pick out the best ones for you. And you can either get a little curvy trunk to it or just get it perfectly straight. These are really beautiful plants. From a little island off northeast Australia. I can get some nice fat trunk guys like this one. Or if you like them really elegant, I can get them extremely little. Look at that little trunk. Even the extremely little ones still have a pretty good head. So look at this one here. Oh my, this is a real nice one. These are fully sun acclimated. Nice big fat trunk, big bottle on the bottom. Beautiful gray with the gray rings, black rings up top. Beautiful head of foliage. And you can either get them in singles or we can even get them in multis for you. So keep that in mind when you want to put yourself into some paradise down by the ocean. There's no better palm to use. It looks really delicate, but it's built to handle tons of wind because the island is really windy, and it grows right down to the ocean shore on a fairly cool subtropical island called Lower Howe Island. That's why it does so well in the Bay Area. All right, give us a call at goldengatepalms.com. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.